Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing you my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, I went to the store and picked this one up, and I'm so excited because it took me at least a month to get the hands of these. I mean, yeah, let me just show you what I got here. So here's the dust bag, and okay, here it is. This is my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. It is the Alma BB in the Damier Ebene Print. It's funny because it took me at least probably like I waited for a month to get this one because I went to the store, they showed me one of these, and there is some issues with the zipper, and also right here at the teeth there is like problems. It looks like it's distorted. And then another one that I saw, it's the feet over here has already issues. And I mean, well, I am expecting a little bit more for the money that I will be paying for this. I'm expecting to get at least brand new with, I mean, I'm not expecting to get one of these to be perfect. I mean, there's no such things as the perfect condition of the bag. There's always a little bit of like a hairline scratches and all that things, but when you see something that is so obvious that it's been used and returned, then I don't think that would work for me. But I am so excited because my sales associate actually ordered this one for me. It took me at least, yeah, quite some time to get a hands on these, but I am so happy when she called me and she said that this is brand new and it just came from the warehouse. I mean, pretty much like, or obviously this is not a store model. So I went to the store and picked this one up, and I was a little bit nervous in such a way that, I mean, with the previous purse that I have seen, with the previous condition of the Alma BB, I was really disappointed with the quality and the condition, because you could actually see the, you know, you could actually see some the sort of like defects. So I mean, I was just, you know, okay, well, I'll take chances. So I went to the store. So before they gave this one to me, they asked me to inspect it, if it's, you know, if it's something that I really wanted, and I am right away, it's just like, okay, I checked every corner. And also the first thing, you know, when I check the bag, usually like I open it inside. When I went to the store with the previous, you know, when I went to check this one out, I look at the inside and have a little bit of a glance on the date code. And one of those Alma BB has a date code that was in 2019. So obviously I was thinking like, well, that was produced in 2019. I had a feeling that that is already been a return. So anyways, it is here. I am so excited with this one because when I checked it, it took me at least a few minutes to check this one. I am so blown away that it's brand new. I checked the zipper first and foremost. I checked the zipper if there is no distortion right on the teeth. It was perfectly aligned. Oh my goodness, I am so surprised. So I look at the corner, and the one that I got is actually made in France. I don't know, yes. So I got the made in France, and I checked every corner and every detail of this one. It is perfect. It is in excellent, great, brand new condition. Quality issues that they have for the past purchases that I have gone through with Louis Vuitton, I could not, you know, I couldn't be more happier getting a purse that is in perfect condition. There is no flaws, guys. I mean, I mean, the corner of this bag is in pristine condition. Excellent. Of course, it is brand new. I checked the feet. The feet is brand new. There is no, it's not even a scratch at all. Nothing. When I checked this one, nothing at all. The alignment, the stitching, I mean, okay, let me just see the stitching right here. Okay, this is actually, yeah, the double stitching right here is perfect. Okay, and I also checked the handles. So these two handles here, the Toron handles, were in great condition. I mean, yes, we knew, guys, all the Louis Vuitton fanatic, they always check the glazing, and the glazing for these Toron handles is perfect, impeccable. The glazing is just amazing, guys. I didn't see, look, it was perfectly done on the other side as well. Perfectly done. Oh my gosh. And also the handles, the stitching right here is perfectly aligned. I also checked around the corner over here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It was amazing. So look at the rivets. This one thing that I noticed about this one is the zip. There's two zip here, the two zippers over here, where it's like the color is so, it's like bright. It's, I don't know, I was expecting that this is more of like a brass, but it was very shiny, and I am not really a fan of a shiny hardware. I don't know how this really gold hardware would hold up in time. I'm not really sure about that, but yes, it is very shiny. Okay, let me just take a look at inside. Oh wow. Let me take a look at inside. Okay, it comes with a strap, obviously. So the strap, let me just take a look at the strap. Okay. Okay, so this is a skinny strap. Let me take a look at the glazing. I've already checked the glazing in this. It's beautiful. Beautifully. The glazing for this one is beautifully done. There is no bubbling. It was like, yeah, beautiful. So it also comes with the gold hardware as well. Okay. And also the stitching right around this strap. Yes, beautifully done. Oh my gosh, it's straight. It is perfect. I am blown away, guys. Now, this one also comes with a key bell. Okay. So what I noticed about this one is the finish for this one is more of like a matte finish. So there's no shine to it. Because I have purchased one of these years ago, and I end up like giving it away, because I have to be honest, guys, that the Damier Ebene, the Damier print is actually one of my least favorite print from Louis Vuitton. I'm not crazy about the print, but somehow I decided to add this one in my collection just to have just at least one print in Damier, and I chose this Alma BB. Okay, this is really matte, very matte finish, and it's really soft. I don't know, because the only reason why I said that, because I got this one of these key bell a few months ago, and I actually have it here, and it is very stiff, and it's a little shiny. So this is the comparison. So this is my old one, so you guys could see the difference. So it is matte. So this is the matte finish that came with my Alma BB. This is the latest from my latest purchase. And this is my, I got this one a few months ago, and also I have, this is actually really old. A few years ago I got this one. And this is the replacement, because the Manekaneko just started to, you know, to come off the I don't know, this one, I think the paint, yeah, it started to chip. So I got this one as a replacement. But in comparison to that, yes, this is, yeah, it is actually matte. I don't know the difference, guys. I don't know if actually this one is this one is so much better. This is stiff, or this one is really, really soft. I don't know which among of these two are actually more durable, but I think this is more durable than this, guys. I mean, yeah, you could see the difference. This one is so matte, really matte finish. So yeah, very stiff. This one is really stiff, and this one is really, really soft, very, very soft. So what else I have here? So this is the product code, and I also have, yeah, this is just the padlock and the key. Okay, yeah, comes with that one as well. So okay, let's take a look at inside. Obviously, the beautiful, beautiful red interior. Oh my gosh, the red interior is one of my most favorite color on these. It's really nice. It has a pocket right here. It's just one pocket right there. It's just like there is nothing else in the inside. Okay, so yeah, the leather trim is cowhide. Yeah, this is very matte, very, very matte finish, and I am just so surprised with the quality with this one. It's beautiful. I mean, I am actually dissecting it right now, and I couldn't find any flaws at all. Isn't it amazing that when you got your bag and you're satisfied? You look, it's perfect. I can't see any flaws on this bag. I'm not looking for flaws, but I know that I could easily spot those flaws. But with this one, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am very satisfied with this purchase. And let me just look at the date code. So the date code, okay, the date code says, so AR3220. So the AR3220, so it's probably like, let me just see, August. Let me just see, pretty much more of like sometime in August. Yeah, 32nd week of 2020 is August, from August 3 to August 9, 2020. So yes, this was actually handcrafted last month, August. Wow, beautiful. The rivets, yes, beautiful, beautiful. So I am so happy, and I got this one for, yeah, I got this one for $1,430. I'm not sure if my sales associate actually mentioned about the price increase in the month of September. She never told me which date in particular. It might probably like later on this month, or probably in the first week of October. I'm not sure, but I'm happy to get a hands on this one before the price increase, before another price increase, because yeah, I might probably gonna regret if I purchase this one with, you know, who knows how much it's gonna be, maybe 5% or 3 or maybe 10%. I don't know how much the increase would be, but overall I am very happy with this purchase, guys. I mean, the zipper is not that very, very smooth, but I could always put some wax in it to smoothen it out. But overall, I am very happy with this purchase. I am very, very satisfied with this purchase. And if you're in a hunt on these, pretty much you could probably get I don't know, because the one at the store actually is more of like, I'm not gonna say it's a return or a floor model, but I am pretty sure this one, the one that I got, it's like, this one has never been touched with anybody else aside from my sales associate. I could tell right away. There is no fingerprints or whatsoever. So if you want to get hands on these, might probably gonna have to reach out with your sales associate. They might probably gonna, find you that is actually brand new, fresh from the warehouse. So yeah, I would highly recommend this one. But yes, the matte finish, I don't know how the matte finish would hold up in time. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's actually beautiful compared to, I cannot compare it with the one that's actually has a more shiny finish, because yeah, upon looking at it right now, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship. I am very happy, very, very satisfied. And yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.